Okay. Sunay, Nargis, Aydın, and Ismail, Ali, Tayyip, Turan. Guys, if there's no any secret, nobody around you, please turn on your cameras, okay? So I can see your faces. If there's something, I don't know, urgent, or you have to leave, or if you're too tired, you want to lie down, at the time you may turn off your camera. Otherwise, keep your camera on. Very good. I don't look, it's so good. I can see you, you can see me, right?
Mm.
So why do you keep your camera off? No reason. Okay. Turan, how about you? Why is the camera off? Yes, Turan, are you so tired?
Also, yes.
Okay, good. Guys, if there are people around you, at least you can just turn on mute yourself, okay? But keep camera on if you can. So guys, let's continue. At least I want to see 3-4 faces. Otherwise, just talking to the screen. Guys, we are going to practice more questions, but similar questions, okay? But I hope we are going to practice this kind of questions until you get very comfortable with these questions. When I ask a question, Turan, what is it? You have to answer so quickly. Hi, Mr. Qasim, it is like this. I just add, subtract, multiply, and we get the answer, okay? Otherwise, still, if you don't understand the question, we will practice more and more questions. Okay, then. Let's continue. Again, here we are going to discuss the second paper. Nargis, are you there? Are you listening to me?
Yes, teacher.
So Nargis, have a look at these questions. Do you think you can do these questions?
Yeah.
What do you think, Nargis? Can you do this question 1 in 10 seconds? I give you 10 seconds. What is the right answer for question 1?
Um, uh, D.
No. Okay. Anyway, guys, let's do this. Let me just show a few questions. After that, we will do it together. Okay. So in this question, of course, you need to have a piece of paper and you need to write it down. It says that what is 30 tens, 36 ones, 25 tenths, and 35 thousandths in decimal. So 30 tenths, right? What is it? It is 30 times
30
10,
times
which is
10.
equal to 300.
300.
300.
Second one is 36 ones. It is 36 times 1, 36.
36.
And 25 tenths, it means that we should divide this by 10.
Divide
So that's
10.
equal to 2.5.
2.
And 35 thousandths, so we have to divide this by 1,000, which is equal to 0.035. Now, if we just add these numbers, 300 plus 36, 336, right? So I have here 336. Now I have to add 2.5. Here we have 2.5. Now I have the 0.035, 0.035. Draw a line. We have to add these numbers. Here we have 3, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Decimal point. 6 plus 2 plus 0, that's 8. And just 3, pull it down, and here we have 3. Which one is the answer? The correct answer is C.
This is correct too.
I did. Any questions about question 1?
No.
I did. Can you do question 2? What is the answer?
B.
Is it B? So because 4 plus 11, it is 15. So here we have 150 is divided by 15 times 5. Okay, here we have times 5. Equals 150 is divided by 15. It is 10 times 5. And that's equal to 50. Correct answer is B. Now, if everybody ready, get ready for the next question. I will give you 1 minute and 25 seconds. Okay. All right. Question 3. Do it. Time starts now. What is the missing number in the box?
Can I say? Mr. Can I say? Can I say?
Yes.
B. I say B. B.
Okay.
Small B.
Yeah, B.
Okay. So the right answer is B. Why
B.
is it so? 15 times, I don't know this box yet, equals 2 and 2 over 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12 over 5, right? And we know that this one is multiplied, right? If I want to take this to the right-hand side, we should divide. So this box left alone here, 12 over 15, 5 is divided by 15. And we know that 15 means 15 over 1. And to divide one fraction by another fraction, first we have to change division into multiplication and change the second fraction upside down. So it becomes 1 over 15, right? And so I can simplify this. 12 is 3 times 4, and 5 times 15 is 3 times 5. So this 3 is gone, and here we have 4 over 15, 25. So now we know that if you multiply numerator by 4, it is 16. Denominator by 4, it is 100. 16 over 100 is 0.16. Okay, how about question 4? Nargis, can you read the question?
Yeah. Jane had 6 coins as follows: $1, $50,
50
$12,
cents, right? 50 cents.
50 cents. Yeah. $10, 10 cent, 10 cent, 5 cents.
Okay, how many coins does she have? 6, right?
Yeah.
So she has only 6 coins. Okay, continue. Nargis, continue reading. Read the second part. Read the question.
If she gave 4 coins to her sister, which of the following isn't the amount given to her sister?
So which of the following is not, right? It's saying not the amount given to her sister. Did you understand the question, Nargis?
Yeah.
Okay, then do it. You have 1 minute. Guys, if you have answer before the time is up, you can leave your answer in chat box to me, right? Okay, not to everybody.
Is it D?
Yes. Who said that? Aydın, is it? Or Nargis?
Nergis.
Okay. Yes, Nargis. Why the answer is D?
The total wait, $1 and 95 cents. Do you hear me?
Okay, if she gave 4 coins, right? She gave 4 coins to her sister. Which of the following is not the amount? This 0.35, right? This is the smallest amount. Even if you just give the smallest amount here, right? The smallest amount, this is the one, 4. 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, how much is it? It is 45 cents. Even if you just give the smallest coins to your sister, it will be 45, right? More than 35. So that means that if you just pick any 4 coins here, they cannot make 0.35. So it is 0.35 is not the amount given to her sister. Now, if you check others, how about 90? Can I just using 4 coins, we can form $0.90? Yes. What is it? Take 50 cents, right? We have 50 cents here. After that, take 20-cent coin, and after that 10-cent coin, and after that 10-cent coin. How many coins? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the value? Is equal to 90 cents, which is equal to $0.90. How about 1.75? Take $1 plus after that 75, right? Maybe 50 and 20 and 5, right? So here we have 50 cents plus 20 cents plus 5 cents, right? And how about 180? Take $1 plus 50 cents. Now I need 30 more and take 20 cents. And after that, take 10 cents, right? The only number that we cannot make using any 4 coins is 0.35. If you just pick any 4 coins from out of these 6 coins, they actually, their value never be $0.35. Aydın, did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, if you are ready, let's move to the next question. Okay. You have 1 minute to solve this question. Read it and do it.
Can I say?
Yes, Aydın. What's your answer?
My answer is D.
What is it?
D.
B.
D.
D.
It is
Okay.
C. I think it's C.
Yeah, Aydın's answer is correct. Aydın, why the answer is D?
Because we find the one volume of 1 cube. We
Okay. What is the volume of 1 cube?
It's 8.
It is 2 times 2 times 2.
2 times
Equal
2.
to 8.
It is 8.
EM cube, right? Okay.
Yes.
And how many
And
cubes do we
total
have here?
9.
Okay, here we have 1, 2, and also behind this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So here we have
Yes.
9 cubes. So 9
And
cubes, and the volume of each cube is 8. So that's equal to 72 cubic centimeters. So the correct answer is 72. Turan, did you understand it?
Yes.
Very good. Now, Turan, I'm expecting you to answer the question first, okay? If you're ready, let's move to the next question.
Okay.
Question 6, 1 minute. Time starts now.
I think it's D.
Who are you?
Turan.
Turan, what is your answer?
D.
Okay, Turan, that's the correct answer. Why? As correct answer is D, Turan.
Because when we like,
Round off, right?
yes, when we round off A, it will be 7,900. When we 7,900.
What do you mean?
When we round off
Okay, if you round off this, correct to the nearest
will be
$100, it will be the last 2 digits, right? $100 means we need to round off the last 2 digits. So it is 45 less than 50. So it will be 8,000. But if you round off this one, correct to nearest $100. So we need to round off the last 2 digits. 80 is greater than 49. So this will be 8100. And how about this one? Again, the 1 less than 50. 8100. And how about the 790? It is 7900. So which one is, when we round it off, right, to the nearest $100 is 8,000. The answer is D. Okay, Tura, very good. Let's move. Any questions? Nargis, Ali Tayyip, Turan, Aydın, Ismail, and Sunay.
No.
Ulker.
No.
Okay. Yes, Ulker. Now I am hoping that you will answer the next question first. Okay. Question 7. You have 1.5 minutes for this question.
Okay. Can I say it's a B?
Can I say
Can I tell B?
Answer is B. Why?
can I say
Yes.
Why?
Because this is A, A, B, and D. This is 35, and here is the 35 too.
Very good. Because the rhombus means all sides are equal, and
Yeah.
also AB equals BD. So triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle. If it is 35, also this should be 35. If it is 35, right, we know that the sum of the interior angles of any triangle is 180. So this angle should be, what is it? 110 degrees. If it is 110 degrees, this is a straight line. So this should be 70, right? So if it is 70, this should be, what is it? 55. And also this should be 55. So what is the question? Find BDC. What is BDC? No,
Right.
it is 55. Ulker, did you understand how we solve this question?
Yes, I'm understand.
Sunay, how about you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, the right answer is 55. Good. Guys, let's continue. And soon you'll have progress test. I'm going to test you maybe after 2 weeks. Let's see. All right. Next question. You guys, try this. You have 1.5 minutes for this. Okay. Very easy question.
can I say
Yes.
I think it's the answer C.
Answer what?
C.
C. I think it is correct. Anybody else?
And I think C.
Okay. C also, your answer C. How about the
I
others?
think D too.
Okay, good. So the ratio of number of erasers to the number of pencils, right? Let's say erasers to number of pencils is equal to 4 to 3. And the number of rulers, so the number of rulers is 3/5. 3/5 of, what is it, erasers. What does it mean? Last time we solved a similar question. That means that the ratio of R, that rulers to erasers, is equal to 3 to 5. Now, what is the question? The ratio of the number of rulers to the number of pencils. So we need to find what is R to P, right? Now here we have E to P, here we have R to E. Now, how can we actually just write it as a single ratio? To do this one, I will just rewrite this one in this order. I will just interchange P and E, right? So here we have P to E will be equal to P is 3, E is 4. It will be 3 to 4. Now from here, also interchange this, right? And how about E to R? It will be 5 to 3. 5 to 3, right? So we need to find R to P. These E's are the same. How can we make also here the same? So we should multiply the first one by 5, the second one by 4. Because in ratio, right, if you multiply the numbers by the same number, the ratio does not change. Multiply by 3, 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. Now from here, multiply by 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12. So now as you see here, this, okay, P, right, it is here 15. R is here 12. Now B's are the same. That means that R to P is equal to 12 to 15. Or if you divide both numbers by 3, here we have 4 and here we have 5. So the correct answer is 4 to 5. Maybe in different way you solve this. Actually, this is another way solving this ratio problems. Okay, guys, let's move to the next question. All right, read it, okay, and after that, do this. Ismail, are you here?
Yes.
Ismail, can you read the question?
Look at the chart below. Some people took part in a survey on their favorite sports. Swimming, 45, others jogging, 20%, playing badminton, 108 degrees. What fraction of the people choose others as their favorite sport?
Okay, that's a question. Now, read it once again, guys, and try to do this. And you have 1.5 minutes, and after that, we will discuss together. Guys, if you have an answer, can you just leave it to chat box, okay? Let me also wait for others.
Can I answer?
Can I answer?
Leave your answer in chat box. Leave your answer to chat box, okay? We will discuss after 1 minute. Okay, Ali Tayyip answered already. Ali Tayyip, how did you solve it so fast?
Easy. It's what is the test?
Aydın also answered. Okay, 18 more seconds. Yes, Ali Tayyip, I'm listening to you.
I think it's D.
I think so.
Okay. Aydın, Ali Tayyip, they answer C, and others. Okay, guys, how do you solve this question? Either we have to change this degree into percentage or percentage into degree, right? So here, two things are given already in percentage. Let's change 108 degrees into percentage. And we know that the round angle, right? The round angle is 360 degrees.
Yeah.
That means that that is 100%. So to change this one into percentage, 108 out of 360, right? And we should multiply this by 100%, which is equal to, but 0, 0, they cancel each other. And 108 is divided by 36, that's equal to 3. 3 times 10 is 30%. So now, if we subtract 100% minus 30, jogging minus 20%, swimming 45%, that is equal to 50 for 95, that is 5%. And how do you change percent into a fraction? We know that 1% means 1 over 100, right?
100.
So 5% means 5 over 100.
5 over 100.
And if you divide numerator and denominator by 5, here we have 1 over 20.
20.
So the correct answer is 1 over 20. Okay, Ulker, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 10, 1.5 minutes. Guys, read the question well, okay? If you answer before the time is up, leave your answer in chat box. Okay, we have one answer here.
Is it D?
I didn't. You sent me two answers, just one. Which one is your answer?
T.
Okay. Let's wait for others.
I think D too.
Yes, T.
25 seconds. Ismail, how about you? Any answer?
5 seconds.
Okay, I think the correct answer is D. Not sure, let's just make it sure, okay? Which one is the right answer? Mandy used 2/5 or 2 over 5 meters of a ribbon or meter of a ribbon to tie a present. So that is the first one, right? And the length is 2 over 5 meters. And she used 1 over 3 meter longer to tie another present. It says longer. So we have another present, actually for that present, she used a bit longer, right? And this much is 2 over 5 meters, and this 1 over 3 meters longer. So this remaining part should be 1 over 3 meters. What is the question? How much ribbon did she use to tie all the presents? So that's the first piece, right? And this one is the second piece. Altogether, 2 over 5 meters plus 2 over 5 meters plus 1 over 3 meter. 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5, that is 4 over 5. And here we have 1 over 3. And common denominator is 15. We should multiply by 3, 4 times 3. And we should multiply by 5, 1 times 5, which is equal to 17 over 15 meters. So the correct answer is D. Guys, now after question 10, questions now a little bit harder, okay? So you should think well and do the questions. Guys, let's move to the next question. Question 11. And you have 2 minutes to solve this question.
I think variant D.
Yes, variant D.
You think, Sunay, why you are not sure? Why not 100% sure?
I'm sure variant D.
Okay, Nargis, Ismail, Ülker, Turan, Ali Tayyip, how about you guys?
And I think it D.
Okay.
C.
Sunay, can you tell me how you solve this problem? Just tell me your method. How do you solve this problem? Or how did you solve it?
Can I say?
Sunay, I cannot hear you.
Nothing.
Okay. Here in the question, it says that the cost of a pineapple was $2.50. And the cost of an orange, that means one orange, was $1.50. Milton bought 3 more pineapples than oranges. He spent a total of $23.50. How many oranges did he buy? Okay. So now here, let's make a table, right? Let's make a table. And here we have 2 different fruits. Okay, let me just do it a bit nicely. So here we have, all right. And let's say pineapple. Okay, this one is orange. Pineapple is how much? It is $2.50. And how about orange? It is $1.50, right? So in the question, it says that Milton bought 3 more pineapples than orange. So if he bought 1 orange, then 3 pineapples. Not 3, 4. 4. If 2, then it is 3, 4, it is 5, right? If it is 3, it is 6. If it is 4, it is 7.
It's 7.
Now, if you just check one of them, for example, let's say if it is this case, 5 pineapple, 5 times 2.50 plus 2 orange, 2 times 1.50. That's equal to, this one is, what is it? 12.50 plus this one is just $3. That's equal to 15.50. So that is not the answer because it says that he spent 23.50. How about if you just check this one, right? 7 times 2.50 plus 4 times 1.50. 7 times 2.50, 7 times 2, $14. 7 times half dollar, 3.5. So that is $17.50. And 4 times 1.5, that is $6, right? So the year sum is 23.50. So that means that who are we talking about? Milton. Milton bought 7 pineapples and 4 oranges. But in the question, it's asking about orange. So the answer is D.
Should I calculate another way?
Yes, Aida, what did it say?
But I calculate another way.
Just a second. Now airplane is flying. I cannot hear you. Okay, now it is gone. Aidan, ask again now.
But I calculate another way.
How did you calculate it?
For example, I write orange for x and pineapple is x plus 3. Total is 23 over unit 5. And I wrote 2.5 multiply x plus 3 and plus 1.55x, and it is a 23.5.
Very good, very good. Aidan, actually, if you understand and so in that way, That is very, very good method. But I'm going to teach that method a bit soon. But now I'm a bit afraid if I teach, everybody understands or not. I'm not sure. That's why. Actually, that method is much, much easier. You know, you're talking about this algebra. Here, pineapple, 2.5. And here we have orange, 1.5. Okay, even we don't have to write the dollars. Now, in the question, it says that Milton bought 3 more pineapples than oranges. So that means that if he bought, let's say, n oranges, a number of pineapples should be n plus 3, right?
3.
For example, how do you find the total cost? The quantity times unit price. So here we have for pineapple, for each, it is 2.5. How many did we buy? N plus 3 pineapple. Plus, and the orange is 1.5. And how many did we buy? M. And in total, how much did we pay? We paid 23.5. Now, if you solve this, 2.5 times M, it is 2.5 N, and 2.5 times 3 is 7.5 plus 5 point N on the right hand side, 23.5. Now 2.5 N plus 1.5 N, that is 4M, equals, take 7.5 to the right hand side, 23.5 minus 7.5. So here we have 4 times N, 23.5 minus 7.5 is 16. And 4 times what number is equal to 16? So N equals 4. What is N? N is the number of oranges, right? So the correct answer is 4. Then that's the second way. We call this algebraic way. Why? Because we are solving this using variables. And if you understand this method, guys, you can solve any questions very easily. Okay. But this one is what? How do you call this method? Okay, in math, how do you call this? Usually in primary education, they call this. This one is guess and trial method. Okay, but actually soon I will start, I want to teach you this method. That is very, very powerful method. Then not only these questions, Aiden, if you know this method, you can solve any question. I mean, using this method, we can solve this. Okay. All right, very good, guys. Let's continue. Next question, if you're ready. Okay. 1 minute.
Can I say?
Yes. What is it?
Item.
Yes, Aiden. Did you get the answer?
I think it's B.
You think. Why do you say you think?
Because we write 220 cakes and 100% and 143 cakes we write.
No, Aiden. I'm asking you that why are you using I think? So you are not sure about your answer?
Okay, I'm sure.
Okay.
But can I answer?
Yes. What's your answer?
I think it is B. R&D.
B. And any others? How about the others? Okay, guys, it says that Samuel sold 220 cakes in January and 143 cakes in February. As you see here, there is a drop in his sales, right? So find the percentage decrease in the number of cakes sold between January and February. And he started, right? The original number is 220. From this number, drop to 143. And how do you solve this? For we need to find the difference. 220 minus 143. And out of what? We are comparing to the January sale, right? So here we have 220, but it says that find the percentage decrease. So to change this into percentage, we should multiply this by 100%, right? Because it does not change anything, because 100% means that's equal to just 1. So that's equal to 220 minus 143, that's equal to 57, and here we have 77, right? Is it 77 over 220? Actually, here we have these zeros, they cancel each other. So here we have just 20. 20 times 10%. And if you simplify this, 77 is 7 times 11. 22 is 2 times 11 times, here we have 10%. This is gone, right? And 10 over 2, that's 5. 5 times 7 is 35.
45.
So the answer is 35. Aydın, was your answer 35?
What?
Was your answer D?
Yes.
And how about the others? Somebody also answered. Who answered D? Okay. Nargis, is it clear? Did you understand the solution?
Yeah.
And how about Ülker? Ülker, how about you?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, guys, now let's move to the next question. Let's try to solve 3 more questions and we will finish the class, okay? Okay, guys, read this. This a little bit tricky question, okay? Think well. You have 1 minute and 45 seconds. Okay.
Mr. Can I say?
Can I say?
Mr. Can I say?
Yes, what is the answer?
Can Ismail say?
It's
C.
D.
It is C.
D,
Ismail
D.
say it is C.
C.
Mr. It is C.
C. Aydın, your answer is C.
Yo,
Anybody else?
Ismail's answer is C.
Okay. Nargis, how about you? You got the answer?
Yeah, it's D.
D.
Yeah.
Sunay, how about you?
I think
Not you think. Did you solve it or not?
this is
Okay, guys, let's do it together. All right. Aydın, your answer is correct.
guarantee.
Mr. Lou drove from his house to his office. Okay, so let's say this one is his house and this one is his office at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. So his speed is 90 kilometers per hour. He started driving at 8:15. So the starting time is 8:15. 8:15, and reached his office at 9 o'clock. So reaching time is 9 o'clock, right? So what is the travel time here? T is equal to 9 minus 8:15, that is 45 minutes. But immediately, if you check the speed is given in hours, right? So we have to change this minute into hours. So 45 minutes is 45 over 60 hours. Now, if you simplify this, 45 is 3 times 15. 60 is 4 times 15, right? So this 15s, they cancel each other. So that's equal to 3 over 4 hours. And what is the question? What was the distance between his house and his office? And we know that to find the distance equals average speed times time, right? And the speed, we know that it is 90 kilometers per hour. And how about the time? 3/4. And the 90, right? I can write it as 2 times 45 times, here we have 3 over 4 is 2 times 2. These two things cancel each other. 145 times 3 is 135 over 2. Or 135 over 2 is, what is it? 67.5 kilometers. So the distance between his house and the office is 67.5 kilometers. Nargis, did you understand this question and solution? Ismail, how about you?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
My answer is C, and it's correct.
Very good. Guys, 2 more questions, okay? Then we will finish the class, all right? 14 and
Yeah.
15. Come on, guys. I want everybody to answer this correctly, okay? You have 2 minutes. Oh, Aiden, is it you again? A. (14A). Aiden, let's wait for others, okay? One more minute, then we will discuss together. Anybody? Nargis, Ismail, Ülker, Sunay, any answer?
No.
Turan, Ali Tayyip, how about you?
I don't have answer.
Ali Tayyip, your answer is A.
A. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. And Aydın, your answer is also A. Okay, good. Let's see. So Jean and Sin and Jane have a total of $37. Okay, let me just write here. Sin and the total means plus, right? Jane, they have $37 together. And Sin and Ray have a total of $102. And Sin plus Ray, they have a total of $102. And the ratio of Jane's amount of money, right? J ratio to Ray's amount of money is 1 to 6. Okay. And how much does Sin have? So how much does Sin have is how much does Sin have? All right. Now looking at this question, if I just write here, right? Sin, okay, this one is Sin's money, okay. And plus Jane's money, right? This one Jane's money. So that's equal to how much? 37. And this one's again Sin's money, right? and raise money. So raise is a lot here. This one is seen, and this one raise. And together, how much do they have? 102, right? So now, as you see here, the difference, right? This one. If we just subtract this, if you remove from here R minus J, right? As you see here, if you just subtract, I mean, removing this S bar from each, that's equal to 102 minus 37, which is equal to 70,
65.
65. Now, in the question, it says that J is to R is 1 to 6, right? So that means that if raise money is 6 units, let's say the 6P, and J's money is 1 unit, let's say it's 1P, that's equal to 65. 6P minus 1P, it is 5 times P, and 65 is 5 times 13. From here, what is it? P equals 13.
14.
And what is the question here? Since money.
16.
What is since money? Now I can just, what is since money? Okay. So now, Jane's, that means that this, what is it? Jane's money, right? So that means that Jane has P dollars. So Jane has $13. If Jane has $13, Jane plus S is 37. So Sin has 37
24.
minus 13.
24.
That's equal to $24. So the answer is A.
A.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
14A. Good. Guys, the last question, okay, and the others we will continue next time. Okay, question 15. Very easy question. You have 1 minute. Have a look and solve it and tell me the answer.
Can I say?
Yes.
It's the C.
B?
C.
I agree.
It's
You
A.
say B?
I say it's a C.
C.
Yes.
Okay. All right. The diameter of the circle, right, shown is 14 centimeters. That means that if diameter is 14 centimeters, its radius, right, it should be 7. Also, this one is radius. It should be 7, right, radius, because half of the diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is 2 times radii. I mean, 2 radii. So find the area of the circle in terms of pi. What is the area of a circle? It is pi r squared equals pi times, what is r? It is 7 squared. 7 squared means 7 times 7, that's equal to 49 pi. So it is area cm squared. So the correct answer is 49. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, I will save this, and I have already dropped this in WhatsApp. I will put this one more time. And Saturday, Sunday, if you have some time, I actually, this is a homework, okay? Try to solve at least 10 questions until our next meeting. Okay, Sunay, Ulker, Ismail, Nargis, Ali Tayyip, Turan.
Can I say, Mr. Kazim, I'm not in the math group.
Why not?
I'm not, I don't know.
But do you use WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay, then if you are not there, just write my add my number and say, hi, Mr. Qasim. I am, just write your name and surname, and you are 6B. I will add you to the group, okay?
Yeah.
And this is my number, 855-958-2881. Don't write too much, okay? Just say hi. And after that, you just write your name,
Okay.
okay, name, and also mention your grades. You are 6B, right? You are 6B, and I will add you to the group, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. I will meet you
Goodbye.
next week, okay?
Goodbye,
Bye.
teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.